Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we have an exciting product to review, the LOFREE Flow low-profile mechanical keyboard. This keyboard promises a unique typing experience with its innovative features. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the design. The LOFREE Flow keyboard boasts an all-aluminum body, which not only looks sleek but also offers durability and sturdiness. It features an attractive RGB sidelit and backlit design, making it visually appealing and perfect for working late into the night or creating an immersive ambiance. Now, let's discuss the typing experience. This keyboard uses Keil full palm switches, which are the world's first low-profile switches made entirely of palm material. This material allows for self-lubrication and ensures an ever-smoother feel over time. What's unique is the gasket mount low-profile design, providing enhanced cushioning and even pressure distribution. This results in a truly sleek, precise, and incredibly comfortable typing experience. The LOFREE Flow keyboard is hot swappable, giving you the flexibility to choose between tactile feedback or the smooth, seamless strokes of a linear switch. It adapts to your typing preference. It's compatible with various devices, including laptops, PCs, and tablets, making it suitable for office work, everyday use, gaming, and business tasks. The PBT low-profile keycaps on this keyboard are remarkable. They utilize an advanced dye sublimation process known as five-sided dye sublimation, resulting in vibrant and highly detailed patterns on the keycaps. The LOFREE Flow keyboard is priced at $169.99, which may seem a bit on the higher side, but considering its unique features and build quality, it's a solid investment for those looking for an exceptional typing experience. In conclusion, the LOFREE Flow low-profile mechanical keyboard stands out with its innovative design, superior typing experience, and hot swappable switches. If you're someone who spends a lot of time typing or gaming, this keyboard could be a game-changer for you. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching. And remember, the best products deserve the best critiques. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.